on the water.
Sir,
Let's
good
see what
morning.
happens here.
Kayo po narito ngayon
Red.
sa bayan ng Real
White.
bilang kayo
White,
nakiisa
running. First wave of
dito
the
sa
heat.
Pasaripoy, no? Ano po ang naging partisipasyon
Racing down the
ng
line,
provincial
being brought up on
government
that close out.
through the tourism
Red
office?
now.
Ayun po, so from the provincial
down.
government of Quezon sa
Good flow
pamamatnubay
on
po ni
that
Governor
first
Dr.
and
Helen Tan,
second turn.
we provided performers po for later as a sign of our, parang a treat for our
Familiar name.
surfers na kasali sa Pasaripoy 2024.
Still have
And of
this
course, yung mga coordination din po ay
Like I said,
naging
I'm not
bahagi
sure.
rin po tayo kahit papaano ang Quezon Provincial Tourism Office. But nevertheless, the entire event was really organized by the LGU Real through the tourism office po. So more on assistance
You all
lang
know
na pwede.
Alan?
Ganitong aktibidad po ba, sir, gaano po ito nakakatulong sa
Valer
turismo,
always
not only for
hanging
Real
out.
but sa
15
lalawigan ng
minutes.
Quezon?
Yellow.
Yeah, Real being
15
recognized as one of the magagandang surfing spot in the Philippines, talagang malaking bagay for Quezon kasi we really wanted to promote Quezon. It's a niche market kasi na magandang makuha.
Red,
Kasi
a
kumbaga pag
4.25.
sinasabi, yung mga surfers, they are all
Red.
quality tourists. They come over to a place para mag-surf and mag-spend talaga sila. So hindi sila yung mga yung nagbabudget na tourists. They spend talaga when they come over to a place kasi itong mga surfers natin, they do this, no, yung mga pag-attend ng mga competition. So quality tourists yung tawag namin sa kanila sa office.
Sir, sa dito po ba sa buong lalawigan,
Yellow from
only
Ryan,
Real
up
lang
and
po ba na
riding.
merong
Nice
ganito na
backside.
surfing area or merong pang ibang lugar,
Upturn.
spot na pwede pang ma-develop?
Right now, as far as the office is informed, no,
by
talagang
surfer
Real pa lang yung meron.
Yellow.
But there are parang ilang LGUs na nagsisignify din na parang merong surfing.
Salvador.
So we hope that in
Let's see what the
partnership
judges
with
think on
DOT,
that
we
one,
get to
comparing
check
it to
on the
surfer in red.
sites kung talagang pwede sila for surfing. So ngayon wala pa, it's
Front
only
side
Real.
turn.
Pero there are some LGUs na nag-aspire din na magkaroon ng surfing spot in their locality po.
This coming 2025, lalo't ngayon ay deliberation ng budget, no, sa provincial. Anong may ambag ng tourism office ng provincial sa mga local na mga turismo?
Yeah. Recently ay nakapasa na po ang budget ng Provincial Tourism Office through the Office of the Governor. We allotted, no, an ample amount for LGUs, especially in their festivals, kasi we know that every festival medyo malaki yung expenses ng mga LGU. So kahit papaano si province gustong mag-help on yung kakayahan lang din namin at mabigyan sila lahat. In addition, we also naglagay din kami ng budget for community-based tourism organization wherein kung si LGU may mga existing tourism organizations that needs assistance, we can also provide
Alright,
them.
yellow,
Syempre
wait
hindi
for the
ganun
waves
kalaki
to lock
kasi even the
in.
province ay may shortage ng budget, but at
Yellow
least, no,
under priority,
ma-feel ng mga
getting
tourism
backup
stakeholders
score
natin sa LGUs
really
that
quickly.
may lalawigan or may Quezon Provincial Tourism Office that is very much willing
Good
to assist
backside
and help
back
sa
on that
kakayanan po
first
namin.
turn.
This is a 1 week event, I think, and then
Kicking out. Yellow,
how
a
many
3.5
days po kayo
on
na
your first
magstay
wave,
dito para
surfer
to observe
yellow.
this
A
event?
3.5.
Actually, ang pinilit namin na entire day-to-day until tomorrow po, makanood,
Now, white
makapag-observe
on
so that
second
we know
wave.
kung alin din yung pwede namin maging tulong.
Both white
Because of
and
the
yellow
busy schedule
on their
din, so pinilit
backside
lang namin na
against surfer in
masingit.
red.
But hopefully, yung entire day-to-day and until tomorrow, makita
regular
natin
footer.
kung ano pa yung pwedeng improvement at
Alright,
mai-help
here we
natin
go.
sa LGU Real.
Here's
Talking
our
to the tourism
situation.
officer
Surfer
kanina,
in
Ma'am Benny
yellow.
Rose, I asked her kung
You're in
ano yung
first
plano, is it every
with a
year or every other year? So it's
3.5
every other
and a
year.
2.9
So I think we'll be given ample
on your
time then na
last wave.
maka-prepare ng help
Surfer
sa
in
kanila
red.
for the next season
You're
of
in
Pasaripoy. And
A 4.25
hopefully mas malaki yung mabigay namin at mas malaki yung
opening wave
participation
and a
ni province.
1.0 as your
Sir, dagdag
backup. You need
update
a
sa karagdagang mga
2.15.
development
And
sa
surfer in white
lalawigan ng
sitting in
Quezon,
third
partikular na sa
with a
turismo natin.
1.05
Ano pang
on your last
lalo
wave
tigit sa mga
and a
tao na
1.0 as
outside
your
of Quezon
backup,
Province? Ano po mga
Panic.
inaasahan nila na
Up
dapat
and
nilang
riding,
matuklasan?
looking to
Siyempre,
better his
may
backup
enjoy.
score.
Pwede po natin mahikayat sila, sir.
And
Yeah.
that turn
Una po ay
definitely
recently
makes it
the
better
passage
already.
of the
Running down
Quezon
the line,
Tourism,
surfer in
Culture
red,
and the
ramp.
Arts Code. Dagdag pa po nito
Nice.
is already na-roll out na rin po namin sa mga
High
LGUs. At dagdag pa po nito, syempre yung Paskong Quezonia na inaabangan ng lahat will be opening, lighting up our decor on November 22 at 6 p.m. sa Perez Park sa atin pong Capitol Compound. Kasunod po next year, in the pipeline na po ang paggawa ng 10-year tourism development
White
plan ng
yellow.
lalawigan ng Quezon in partnership with all the LGUs po within the jurisdiction of our province. At syempre, nakakatuwa pong isipin as early as now we are preparing for the activities next year, especially the Nyugyugan Festival. So after na pasa yung budget, ongoing na po yung planning for Nyugyugan Festival. In that way, we really wanted to make Quezonians feel na yung tourism sa lalawigan ng Quezon ay pinaplano, pinag-aaralan at masusing pinagtutulungan ng lahat ng opisina. Siguro as
the waves.
the campaign was launched, the Tara na sa Quezon was launched last August,
Replay.
patuloy na nakikiusap tayo at umapila sa mga kasamahan nating mga Quezonians na walang ibang magiging ambassador or ambassadress ng lalawigan ng Quezon kung di tayo. So given that chance to makavisit tayo ng other places, ipagmalaki pa rin natin ang ating lalawigan, lagi nating dalhin ang pusong Quezonian.
Ano po bang slogan ngayon ng Tourism Quezon?
Wala pong binabago, tara na sa Quezon pa rin kasi it's a call for us to invite a friend to come over and experience Quezon po.
Using his
Thank you so much,
priorities
sir.
up in writing.